Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and it's always a pleasure for you to stop by. Thank you for being here. I know I haven't done a tech video in a while, but you know how to make a little time in the midst of this move. But I did want to do a video on the NEEWER ND filters. I've had it for a while, but because of the bipolar weather in Florida, I have not been able to show you guys it and show it in action. But I finally got some footage for you guys, so let's make it quick. But I do want to give you some more information on what ND filters are so that you kind of understand if this is something for you, okay? So what is an ND filter? It's just basically a filter built to kind of limit the amount of light getting into a camera lens without affecting like the contrast and the color. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you what ND means. It's neutral density. So you have neutral density and then you have the number, and the number is basically just the factor of how much light is reduced. So like ND16 reduces light by a factor of 16. ND64 reduces light by a factor of 64. Or if you do it in like stops, ND16 reduces it by 4, ND64 reduces it by 6. And then ND256 reduces it by 8 f-stops. So a lot of light is being reduced with the 256 compared to like a 16. Now in this particular set, it does come with 4 different ND filters. So it comes with a ND16, ND64, ND256, and then we have a CPL. Now the CPL is basically a circular polarizing filter. What the heck does that mean? It just cuts reflections and enhances like contrast. But based on what I've used it so far, it's been pretty good. Let's get into the demo because that's what you're here for. I know you're tired of me talking. I will stop right now. Let's see. All right, so now this is ND18. Now this one is ND256. So this is me. Ooh, yeah, this block out a lot more light. All right, so now I'm gonna put on the adjustable CPL. So there she go. I just don't want to touch it. So this is why it's taking me forever. Okay, so I think I can adjust it here. Okay, so I have the adjustable CPL here. I'm gonna try to adjust it, see if that makes a difference. If you're noticing any changes. I don't really see much of a difference, but it could be just because the sun is shining like directly into my eyes. So I forgot to shoot ND64. Let me switch it off. Okay, you know I don't like the gimbal part because I don't want to get my fingerprint on it. So I know this is kind of tumultuous, but so this is me before I put the filter on. Yeah, I think it snapped in, yeah. So yeah, this is ND64. So definitely helps with cutting back a good bit of light. Probably not as much as like the 256, but good enough. Who is this perfect for? If you film in a lot of like bright light settings, like outdoors, yeah, mostly outdoors, this will be perfect. And the price point of this is so good. It is a good price. I will link it in my description below. You can find it on my Amazon storefront as well. All right, now what are the pros and cons of this NEEWER ND filter? It has great optical glass quality. It doesn't necessarily interfere with the gimbal itself. And great value for a 4 filter kit. Like I said, it's a good price. And also too, it's very compact. This fits perfectly in my little case. So yeah, compact is good. Now cons, I will say trying to put that dang magnet on there can be a little bit annoying just because you know you're popping it onto a gimbal, and also too, you don't want to get your fingerprints on the actual lens. So sometimes that's annoying. But once it snaps into place, it's pretty secure. But just the act of having to try to snap that on is annoying as heck. Also too, the CPL that comes in this kit is you have to manually rotate it, which like I said, with the gimbal, it can be a little bit annoying. You'll see in the video I shot, I was here like, this is annoying, like trying to like turn it without messing with the gimbal because I didn't want to mess up my actual gimbal. But yeah, you have to manually rotate that. So boo, tomatoes, tomatoes. All right right, guys, so that's it for my video about the NEEWER ND filters. Let me know how you feel about it. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe, share with a friend. Love you, love you. If you will have something else you want me to try, especially for the DJI Osmo Pocket, I love me a little new accessory now. You know, I love nothing better. So if there's anything else you want me to review, let me know. I'll be sure to do that. But until next time, you guys have a great day. Also too, I do have a moving video part 2 that's coming your way soon. Bear with me. Like I said, it's been a bit of a struggle moving out here. So with the time difference and everything, but it'll be out shortly. Love you guys. Have a great day.